For men over 40 and 50, maintaining healthy blood flow is crucial for overall well-being. Nitric oxide, or NO, is vital for vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, promoting proper circulation. As men age, their bodies produce less nitric oxide, leading to decreased blood flow and health issues. Pomegranates can help boost nitric oxide production and restore healthy blood flow. Nitric oxide is a short-lived gas molecule the body naturally creates. It acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessel muscles, causing them to widen. This widening increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to organs and tissues. Adequate nitric oxide levels are essential for healthy blood pressure, brain function, exercise performance, and sexual health. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants like phenylhalogens and anthocyanins, which protect nitric oxide from damage. Oxidative stress can damage arteries and reduce elasticity, hindering blood flow. Pomegranate's antioxidants neutralize free radicals, promoting healthy arterial function and easing blood pressure. Pomegranate juice helps preserve nitric oxide in the body. Compounds in pomegranate stimulate enzymes that trigger NO synthesis, reducing blood pressure. Pomegranate polyphenol may lower blood pressure by improving arterial function and inhibiting ACE, which narrows blood vessels. Studies suggest drinking approximately 10 ounces of pomegranate juice daily may help lower blood pressure. However, findings are mixed and pomegranate's effectiveness can vary. Pomegranate extract also benefits blood flow and cardiovascular health, decreasing vascular inflammation. While pomegranates contain some nitrate, their strength lies in their nitric oxide protecting abilities. Combining pomegranate with high nitrate vegetables like beets and leafy greens can further enhance nitric oxide production. Foods high in dietary nitrates, such as leafy green vegetables and beets, provide building blocks for nitric oxide. Nuts and seeds are high in arginine, involved in nitric oxide production, while L-citrulline may help treat erectile dysfunction. Citrus fruits, like oranges, are excellent sources of vitamin C, enhancing nitric oxide levels. Regular exercise boosts nitric oxide production and improves circulation, contributing to cardiovascular health. Maintaining a healthy weight, managing stress, and avoiding smoking also contribute to optimal nitric oxide levels. While pomegranate consumption is generally safe, some individuals may experience mild side effects like upset stomach. It's important to be aware of potential interactions with medications, such as blood thinners and blood pressure medications. Moderation is key, especially with pomegranate juice, due to its high natural sugar content. Pomegranates offer a natural way for men over 40 and 50 to support healthy blood flow by boosting nitric oxide production. By incorporating pomegranates into a balanced diet and adopting a healthy lifestyle, men can improve circulation, protect cardiovascular health, and enhance overall well-being.
Welcome back to our series on natural blood flow. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of pomegranate, a powerful fruit known for its positive impact on circulation. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenol, which help improve nitric oxide production, crucial for relaxing and widening blood vessels. This is vital for maintaining cardiovascular health and can significantly contribute to overall well-being as we age. The first crucial step is selecting the right pomegranate juice. Not all juices are created equal, and for maximum benefits, purity is key. Look for 100% pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice. Avoid anything with added sugars, artificial flavors, or other fruit juices. Always check the label carefully. The ingredient list should simply say 100% pomegranate juice and nothing else. Once you have the right juice, the next step is determining the optimal dosage and timing for consumption. For most men, a daily intake of 4 to 8 ounces, or about half to 1 cup, is recommended. This amount provides a sufficient concentration of beneficial compounds without being excessive. Consistency is more important than quantity. Aim to drink it around the same time each day, perhaps with breakfast or as a mid-morning beverage, to establish a routine. To enhance the absorption of pomegranate's fat-soluble antioxidants, consider pairing your juice with healthy fats. Foods like avocado, a small handful of nuts such as walnuts or almonds, or a drizzle of olive oil can significantly boost the bioavailability of these compounds. This simple addition ensures your body can make the most of the pomegranate's powerful properties. As with any natural health regimen, consistency is paramount. The benefits of pomegranate for circulation are cumulative, meaning they build up over time with regular use. Don't expect immediate results. It can take several weeks or even a few months of consistent daily intake to notice significant improvements in your circulation and overall energy levels. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. While pomegranate is a powerful ally, it works best as part of a holistic approach to health. Combine your daily pomegranate intake with regular physical activity, such as a brisk 30-minute walk most days of the week. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also crucial for optimal blood flow. Remember, these steps are designed to complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor before making significant changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. By consistently incorporating pure pomegranate juice and these healthy habits, you're taking proactive steps towards better circulation and a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more insights on natural ways to support your health.